Hey everyone, Brett here with Windermere, and today I want to talk about what to look for in a real estate agent that you choose to represent you. Now these are my top 7 traits that I feel all good real estate agents should have. Number 1, and above all else, should be honesty and integrity. No matter how difficult and trying a transaction may get, a good real estate agent should always do the right thing. Number 2 is putting your needs first. If you're a buyer, your agent should be showing the properties that match your criteria and are best for you and your interests and not their wallet. And whether you're a buyer or a seller, your agent should always be keeping your information confidential. Number 3 is attention to detail. Now there's a lot of moving parts in a real estate transaction, and if your agent misses anything, it could potentially mean a disaster for you. Number 4 is having an agent with a good problem-solving mindset. Now there's a lot of moving parts and anything could go wrong at any given time. So having an agent that you trust that can think outside of the box and find a good resolution for you is extremely important. Number 5 is your agent should have a good understanding of the market. Now if you're a seller, your agent should be able to give you accurate data that explains what homes like yours may sell for and how long it may take to do it, and what repairs or improvements may net you a better rate of return. And if you're a buyer, your agent should be providing data that explains what the market is doing and what homes in your search criteria are going for. This way, you can avoid overpaying. Number 6 is find an agent that hustles. If you're a buyer, your agent should be calling for sale by owners, expired listings, and networking with every agent in their office and beyond to try to find off-market properties. And if you're a seller, regardless of your price range, your agent should be hosting regular open houses, have a stellar marketing campaign, and be calling everybody in their database to try to find a buyer for the highest amount and in the shortest amount of time. And number 7 is find an agent that loves what they do. Some of my best moments in my career were handing over the keys to first-time home buyers or a veteran. Those are the types of moments that keep us trucking through the mud when times are tough. Find an agent that lives and breathes real estate, whether it's buyers, sellers, investors, somebody that knows calculations and the math behind a good investment opportunity, that's fascinated by market trends and genuinely cares for people. And if I missed anything that's important to you, please comment below. I'd love to hear from you and find out more ways that I can improve my business. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.